Everyone says dog trainers just, play with dogs all day. And I do play with dogs, but it's to build a relationship with them and trust and that foundation. I don't get anywhere unless I have that good foundation with them, that good relationship. If I don't play with your dog, they're not going to respect me or find me really that fun. They don't want to work for me. So it's not just that. It's just building, again, that relationship and that structure and that routine and that leader role for them is really important.